Let's take a quick tour of custom chatbots in Microsoft's Copilot. So the first thing we're going to do is expand the sidebar by clicking on this little icon on the left. We're going to look down here at agents. You can either hit the plus sign right there or a new agent right here. Either path will lead you to the same interface. Template is an option we haven't seen in some of the other tools that we've looked at. In this case, I'm going to choose one just to get some stuff filled in, and I'll choose Writing Coach. You can see right off the bat, it's going to customize this icon. This isn't anything too fancy, but it's just a nice little visual touch. You can create your own using AI, upload it, whatever. The title and description are going to show up right here. That just helps you know what the chatbot's going to do, and if you're sharing it with others, it helps them know. The key aspect to how the chatbot is going to perform is, of course, in the instructions. It's following a very similar pattern in this example to what you might have seen in Google Gems, in that it's initially assigning a persona and then giving detail in this pattern with headers and then list items. In this case, the header is defined by 2 asterisks in the front and at the back, and then a line break, and the list items are just a dash with a space. So this is important. It's just formalizing and formatting the content and directions that you provide here. This particular formatting is called Markdown, and you can write your text in whatever you want and then ask for it to be formatted in a Markdown using an AI chatbot of your choice, or there are a number of different tools online that can help you do that. But this helps provide structure and order to the directions so that they're better handled by the AI when it's processing them. In the case of Copilot agents, the knowledge repository is a little bit different than what you may have seen. So these are all URL specific, and you have the ability to say only use these sources, and that is kind of like Notebook LM for Google, and that is really focusing all of the responses on whatever URLs you add here. So this is a place where if you're adding external sources, you need to think carefully about which ones and why and how you're going to add them. It's a little bit of a hassle because you can't upload files directly. You can give this this agent additional powers, though, that I haven't seen in other things that we've messed with, including the ability to create documents and charts and whatnot. So this can be an interesting power to turn on if you have that need, and you can have it make images. The prompt suggestions are kind of nice in that you can have a bunch of them. This title combo is just a way really to get people started, to provide them a variety of pre-configured prompts that get them moving with your agent. And you can trash them, reorder them, all that sort of thing right there. And then once you've got it how you want, you'll hit create. It's going to take a little bit of time. All right, and then again, we can do share. In this case, we don't have the same granularity to have like common editors, but you can have URLs that are available to specific people or to anyone in your organization, and then you can get that link and give that to them.